In 2025, investing has never been more accessible, more overwhelming. If you're new to the game and live in the US, chances are you've asked yourself, where do I even start? Today we're breaking down the top 5 investing apps for beginners, so you can start building your future without the stress or confusion. No minimum deposit. Commission-free trades. And its interface is designed to feel like social media, not Wall Street. But while it's simple, it lacks deep. Research tools. Ideal for people just getting their feet wet with individual stocks or ETFs. Caution. It can feel like a game. But remember, your money is not a toy. Fidelity blends the trust of an old-school institution with the ease of a modern app. You get fractional shares, zero commission trades, and access to Roth IRAs all, with incredible customer support. It's like a smart older sibling who actually knows how to invest. Best for beginners who want to build a long-term portfolio. With support, you can see what other people are buying and even learn from verified experts. It also emphasizes transparency, letting you know how companies make money. Great for new investors who want to learn by watching others. But remember, just because someone's buying it doesn't mean you should. If you hate thinking about investing, Acorns is your friend. It rounds up your everyday purchases and automatically invests the change. That coffee you bought for $3.50, it'll round it up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. It's slow and steady, but surprisingly powerful. Perfect for people who want passive investing without lifting a finger. SoFi is more than investing, it's a whole ecosystem. From budgeting tools to crypto options, you can manage your financial life in one place. They also offer free financial planning sessions, a rare bonus. Best for beginners who want investing and financial coaching in one app. Which app is right for you? Want something simple? Go with Robinhood. Crave education and safety? Fidelity's your best bet. Want to be part of a social investing world? Public's got your back. Need an autopilot option? Try Acorns. Prefer a one-stop shop? SoFi Invest is solid. Investing in 2025 doesn't require a finance degree. It just requires action. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. So pick an app, set a goal, and start building your future $10 at a time.